The Dark Arts pack. Inter Milan 1. Arsenal, super scary, dangerous, scintillating. Oh my God, we were robbed. Arsenal, 0. Top Gooners and clickbait, clout baiting, clout chasing even, mutants around social media. Oh my God, robbed. Changing their titles 15 million times because this is what they do to chase the clout. Henry, yeah, don't worry. I know you're watching this, you prat, yeah? Changed your title already, have you? Yeah. Were Arsenal robbed was the title. It's not anymore, though, lads. Arsenal need to fix this is now the title. Yeah, Arsenal need to fix this is now the title. In fact, actually, where are we? Arsenal must fix this. Seamus only had 279 views in 39 minutes. Leave my club alone and worry about Spurs, you prat. Yeah. Oh my God, robbed. Oh, the refs in Europe. Yeah, funny that because Arsenal fans been spent the whole of the Champions League campaign sitting all over the internet telling everyone, why don't we ever cry about refs in Europe? Well, you're crying tonight, isn't you? You're crying tonight, isn't you? Because your manager yet again has flopped against a tactically astute manager. Looked lost on the touchline because this is what he does. He hasn't got a clue what he is doing. Yeah, Mikel Moreno, I told you all. None of you lot watched Sociedad last season. You're all lying. Yeah, hold that. Hold that. Oh, but look how happy he is they lost. No, I'm not happy we lost. However, I'm happy you lot are in the mud crying like babies again because at the end of the season, you're going to have to agree with Lee Gunner, which is something you don't really want to do. I don't want to associate with Lee Gunner because I'm a ponce. No, you're a prat. Real talk. I'm right. I know I'm right. I called it 5 years ago this month. This manager is crap. Yeah, this manager's rubbish. He's wasted 800 million quid of our fucking club's money. Yeah, this manager stinks. This manager ain't got a clue what he's doing. But don't worry, though, because Martin Odegaard's back in the squad. Really? Why was Martin Odegaard back in the squad, I hear you ask? Oh, because Edu left. Yeah, Edu left. Yeah, Edu just said, fuck it, I resign and walked out the club. Like, let's be real. He didn't have to work any notice. Being in a corporate position, you could just go, I resign, bye-bye, I've cleared my locker, there's the company credit card, there's the fob to the Coney training ground, and obviously my office. So there's the keys. I'm just going to leave. No, you can't do it, mate. You have to give some kind of notice. Yeah. So what this club decided to do was go, well, Martin Odegaard's back in training. The exact same day Edu left. But don't worry, though, because I'll call it out. Yeah, and if you lot want to hide and sweep it under the carpet and all of this stuff, cool. At the end of this season, you're going to have to come round to my way of thinking. There's a rat in that corner for a reason, mate. That's not a rat. That's Vieira, a proper midfielder, unlike any of the midfielders we have now. But Thomas Partey, who's actually half sensible. But anyway, we play him at right back these days, so who cares? Like, real talk. The Dark Arts. Oh, but they only had one shot on target. Yeah, because they were toying with us. They were chill. That was a fucking whooping. They were chill. But they only had 0.05 XG because Fat Bavs has told us. And what? We're crap. Bukayo Saka, star boy. 3 completed crosses out of 19. 2 duels out of 10 or 11 or whatever it was. Gave the ball away 33 times, but Lee is racially motivated. It's racially motivated, lads. Martinelli, equally as bad. Mikel Moreno, yeah, was he in court today? Was real talk, because he was going to unlock Martinelli. So maybe you idiots maybe should start listening to what I'm saying. Oh, well, you're just negative. You're doing it for views. Let me tell you something right now. I would have 500,000 subs, yeah, and 3 or 4 times more views on my videos than I have now if I was like you lot. Unfortunately, you lot are human cockroaches. I don't want to associate with you, yeah, which is why I just keep saying what I'm saying, because I know I'm right. And I've seen this club for nearly 40 fucking years. I've been there home and away over 500 games. I've been around Europe. Atleti away, Östersund away, Bate Borisov away, Newcastle away, Swansea away. I can keep going. I've been everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. I've seen this lot play football live. I was at the game, the 42, where we were 3-1 down. Frank Kadru. I'm a poet. I fully know it. You could hear a pin drop, the hybrid scream out. When Kadru scored. Where was Ian Slayman going? He was going for walkies. Woohoo, walkies. Like our dog, like a dog. Like our midfield got dog walked today. Embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. What happened? Oh, we won 5-3. Okay, cool. We went invincible that season. Cheers. I've seen us win five league titles, 9 FA Cups, 2 League Cups, and a Cup Winners' Cup, guys. 17 trophies. I know for you idiots that don't know maths, 17, lads. 5 league titles from 89 onwards. But don't worry, I'm negative. I'm the biggest problem in the whole football club. League Gunners channel is the biggest problem. Well, let me tell you right now, and I'm here to tell you right now, yeah, you lot are going to have to align your views with me this season. And I know it's hard for you to take. However, I'm petty, and you know I'm petty. Yeah, and I'm full sarcastic mode as well. Yeah, trust me, I am mad petty. Yeah, and when you lot universally agree between you, you weirdos, yeah, that it's acceptable now to call this crap out. Oh, no. I wanted Hansi Flick at Arsenal. Oh, but what did he do with Germany? I wanted Ancelotti. What did he do with Napoli and Everton? Yeah, I wanted Conte. What did he do with Tottenham? This manager tonight, by the way, I wanted him. Oh, yeah, but it's a Farmers League. Well, that farmer schooled you with a B team, bruv. But do you know why? Because he was resting 5 of his best players to play Antonio Conte's Napoli with Billy fucking Gilmore, Scott McTominay, and Lukaku. But don't worry, guys. We'll blame the ref because Mikel Moreno was in court today. He was in court today. I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Hooked stinker at halftime. He's unlocking Martinelli. Or maybe he left the key in Sociedad, lads. The guy stinks. I told you he stinks. I told you he's trash. But you all lied to the public and to yourselves because you're a top gooner. You don't even know what the word gooner means because you're frauds, a lot of you. Yeah, and I've had enough of you lot. And this season, you're all getting exposed. And let me tell you right now, yeah, when this manager goes and when you all accept that this manager ain't it, which I think a lot of the players have, because a lot of them players can't be asked. I can't lie. They genuinely look lost. They look lost, bruv. Real talk. Yeah. When you lot get round to that mentality, oh, no. Back your manager. I got called a rat by some dickhead. Yeah. I'm a rat. Cool. You're a cucaracha. You're all cucarachas. Human cucarachas scurrying around. Trying to be the toppest of top gooners. You don't even know what gooner means. Yeah, because none of you are gooners. None of you are fighting, mate. None of you are firm, mate. Yeah, none of you lot know what fucking gooner means. Oh, I'm a true gooner. No, you're not. You're a fraud, and you're holding my football club back. And you have done for 5 years. And when this manager goes, you ain't going to back the next manager because you're scumbags. The same as you did, or didn't do. Sorry. You didn't back Unai Emery when he got the job. I was going to games then. I was in the stadium. None of you lot that wanted Wenger to stay because you latched onto our club because of Wenger. When he was winning, actually. Yeah, but then didn't want to win anymore. Yeah, all of you lot, yeah, that were in the stadium, yeah, and online, that wanted Wenger to stay. Oh, yes, it's a disgrace that he's gone. Okay, cool. None of you lot back to Unai Emery. Cool, hold that. Hold that. Oh, but Unai lost tonight. And what? Unai's won with Villarreal, mate, against your manager. He won a European trophy. Saying your manager will never do. This manager will amount to nothing. Yeah, and on the 25th of this month, and as I record this, it's gone midnight. So, guess what? In 18 days from now, you're going to get me being shameless, yeah, petty, sarcastic. You're getting the worst of the worst, mate, yeah? Cool. I've had 5 years of your crap. 5 years. You got 5 years of me coming up. Pause. 5 years of me. Back your manager, guys. Back your players. Trust the process. Trust win the dog. Yeah, but who's available? I wouldn't want any manager in world football because Super Duper Mick, I trust more than anybody. Your words. So when you lot get together and decide that it's universally acceptable on social media, yeah, whilst calling me a villain for 5 years, calling me a rat, and so on and so forth, yeah, because you've all been lying, let's be real, but right message, wrong messenger because of my delivery, yeah, cool. No worries. I'll play the game back. You got 5 years of me trolling every single one of you. Every day. Every day. Because I don't care if they give it to fucking Mr. Bean after him. Yeah, back the manager, lads. It's a process. Took Clout 4 years. Yeah, cool. And I can do sarcasm better than any of you lot. I got a personality. You can't test me on my knowledge of the club. Yeah, you haven't been to as many games as me, or most of you. Yeah, some of these dickheads. The one that called me a rat's been to more, and fair play. As much as I don't like that geezer, he is actually proper. However, he's a sellout, and we know what he is as well. I'm not going to go down that route. But fair play. Can't test him. Yeah, can't test him. And I'm not too fucking proud to sit here and say, no, real talk. Real talk. Yeah, however, 5 years. Yeah, 5 years in December. Yeah, cool. Well, guess what? It's 5 years and 18 days that I told you this guy would amount to nothing. He won't take us anywhere apart from 5 years minimum backwards. The video is on this channel. It's on this channel. Type in Lee Gunner in YouTube, space Arteta out, and go to the last or the oldest stream, 25th of November 2019. Mic drop. Adios, io de puta. Everyone out. Bosh. And you all to blame for this. But don't worry. Don't worry, though, because Lee Gunner's profiting off a loss. Yeah, let me tell you right now. Kai Havertz, I said his name, Bosh, is getting paid £1,666.67 per hour of every single hour of the day for 5 years under that contract that Super Duper Mick gave him. Goodbye.